Okay, so this is 3.2 area of triangles as your standard, and a objective to be able to find the area of a triangle within 80% accuracy or high given the independent practice. Okay, so this is a formula: area equals 1/2 times the base times the height, or you can also write as base times height divided by 2. I prefer this one as I mentioned before with the other ones, but use whichever one you want. Is the same idea. The one thing you have to remember though is what's the base and what's the height. So for all of this, this is my base, so that's pretty easy, self-explanatory, right? The flat side, the lights on the bottom. But the height, remember the height goes from the top of the shape all the way to the base, making a 90-degree angle. So in this case, top, 90-degree angle, yes, that's my height. This one, does this make a 90-degree angle with the base? No, that's a 90-degree angle. So I'm gonna take the top and I'm gonna draw a line. This right here is my height. Okay, this right here is my height. This one, is this 90-degree angle with this one? No. What about this one to that? No. So I have to extend my base, and I'm gonna draw a line from the top of my triangle to that line, and this right here, right, here 90-degree angle, this right here is my height. Okay, so let me do some for you, and then I'll give you some to do. So again, same idea, use the formulas. You have to know the formula, and then you substitute in the known values to find the unknown. So you're like a little mathematical spy, okay, trying to figure out the unknown. Okay, so this one, let's say that this I'm giving you extra links here. I don't need this one, I don't know that one, I don't need those two, so I'm gonna even erase them because I don't really need them. Okay, the only thing I need is this and that. So I go again, I can do both ways. I'm gonna use my preferred method on this one. So I have base 3 times height 10 divided by 2, so that's 30 divided by 2, which is 15. So I have 15 square inches because I'm using inches here, and that's my area. Okay, if you use this method, I have to do 1/2 of my base times the height. Okay, so this is multiplication, so you can't even start with this. So 3 times 10 is 30, and then 30 times 1/2, you multiply straight across, and that's 15 again. Or you can do half of 3, which is 1.5 times 10. Remember, when I multiply by 10, I move my decimal ones to the right, so that's gonna be 50 again, so 15 square inches. Okay, so here we go. Let me do this one. So this one, let's say, so I have a 6, and again I only need my base and my height, so I'm going to erase that one because I don't really need that one. That's going to confuse me. So I do 6 times 4 divided by 2, so 24 divided by 2 is 12 square feet. Okay, and I can use that same again. Okay, let me give you one to do for this one. Go ahead and find the area for this one. Okay, now working backwards, I'm gonna do one right here. So imagine that we say that the area of this triangle equals okay, so then I know that my area is 24 square feet, and so I'm gonna work backwards. So then I'm gonna say I'm gonna use this one to simplify it for you because I don't want you to get confused. So then I know my area, yes, that's 24. Do I know my base? No, I'm looking for that. But do I know my h? Yes, that's my height is 6. So remember, commuting property of multiplication allows me to move numbers around. So I'm gonna say 1/2 times 6 times height. So I can actually do this, and that's 3. So then the question, I have 24 equals 3h. 24 equals 3h. Remember, to do this, I have to do inverse operation. So 3 times 1 gives me 24, 8. So my height is 8. I'm sorry, my base, not my height. My base should be base, not height. Okay, so my base is 8 feet. Okay, so that's how I work backwards. But now let me give you one of this ones. Let me do this one, and I'll give you one to figure out the base or the height. So let's say that this is 10. Let's say this is 5 feet, and this is 3 feet, and this is 4 feet. So I'm trying to find area. So remember, height and base, so I don't need that. So then I go 4 times 3 divided by 2, that's 12 divided by 2, that's 6, so 6 square feet. Okay, if you use this method, you go 1/2 times the height So that's 2, and then times it by 3, you can end up with the same answer. Okay, so let me give you one to do on this one. Try to find the area for that one. And let me give you one to work backwards. So imagine that we say that we have the area of a triangle and the area is 6 square feet. And so we're trying to figure out the base. So what is the base? Okay, remember you're gonna use, so you're asking yourself, area equals, we don't know the base but you know the height. Okay, and then you divide by 2. So go ahead and work that out and give me the base for that. Okay, God bless you. Bye.